Well, here comes the tiny home. Just coming right on up. Our micro cottage. Oh, it's coming up good. This is going to be our micro cottage here at Chantilly. You'll be able to rent this cottage with kind of a minimal kitchen in it, bunk beds, lights, power. Cute little building. Yeah, getting ready to take the building off the trailer. Moving forward just a little bit. Place it here on this pad up on the little valley. This is Mr. Ed over here throwing out some seed. Yeah, go a little further. Well, there we go, getting it off the special moving trailer designed for moving portable buildings like this. Again, this is going to be our little micro cottage here at Chantilly Farm and Campground. We intend to put power to this building so we can have a microwave and refrigerator and bunk beds in it. And it has a beautiful view out the other direction, which you can't see right now because we're up against the woods, but going to have a nice view there. We always see how this tilt trailer works. It's really something. These devices made just for moving storage buildings. They can tilt up and down, sideways. They got winches for pulling the building on. Oop, sliding off. Now they drive the truck away and the building goes down. Really cool process. Mr. Ed's getting some grass seed down there so we get this place all stabilized. Now this is out Chantilly Chantilly Farm and Campground. We're about 6 miles out of the town of Floyd, right off the Blue Ridge Parkway. And we've got 25 full-service RV campsites, the tiny home on wheels, platform tent, primitive camping areas for tents, a couple of bunk houses, and now we have this little micro cottage. And so we have a variety of things out here to house people overnight, from the very most primitive camping to fairly full service with the tiny house. Has a full kitchen in it. There, driving off the hill. Well, he said he wouldn't have any problem bringing it in. By golly, he drove right up here and put it in. That was great.
How are you doing?
Thank you guys for helping.
All right. No problem.
Appreciate it.
Have a good day.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Rocky, I want you to just tell me about moving the building.
It's not hard to move a building like this. The trailer that I have is made for doing it. You can shift back and forth for 4 feet. You can tilt it. It's got a hoist on it that can pull the building right up. Usually it's a pretty easy thing to do. Well, you can move a building up to 12 foot by 28 foot.
I was amazed when you told me you could drive up there with it, and golly, you drove right up there, just no problem at all with that four-wheel drive. No. Good thing we did it this week, though, in the sun.
Yep.
Well, thanks so much. You move a lot of buildings and build buildings, and I know you did the cabins for us down in front, too. They're nice.
Okay.
Okay, well, thank you very much.